Internal PC communication failing because of the Microsoft HTML Engine Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Quickly resolve Microsoft HTML Engine Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Microsoft HTML Engine Library, the .NET Primary Interop Assembly, PIA, for the MSHTML engine. It allows managed applications to interact with the legacy Internet Explorer rendering engine. If corrupted, specialized enterprise tools and older automated browsers will crash, citing a COM component initialization failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. QSQL MySQL is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Microsoft HTML Engine Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Keep in mind that QSQL MySQL DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Microsoft HTML Engine Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Microsoft HTML Engine Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.